All right, we're starting off with a layer of our pancake batter in our greased air fryer. Next, I'm coming in with 5 eggs that we're going to pour right onto our pancakes. Perfect. We're gonna season this up real quick with some salt and pepper. You can season this however you like. This is such an easy and delicious air fryer breakfast. Get our salt. If you want to skip the sodium, that's totally fine. For protein, we're gonna add our cooked sausage patties, and I have 4 patties that we're placing right on top of those eggs. This is gonna be so good, you guys, and so easy. I'm also gonna add a couple strips of cooked bacon, and this is the pre-cooked bacon that you can just buy from the store, so it's so easy just to throw everything together in your air fryer right when you wake up. Great for back to school, or great for, brunch on a Sunday. Beautiful. I did have to pre-cook my hash browns, which only took a couple of minutes, and we are going to add a layer of our cooked hash browns in there, and they will cook a little bit more as we cook our air fryer, but this is gonna be so good. And we're just kind of distributing that the best we can. They're kind of stuck together because I cooked them in the oven with some oil, but I think that looks beautiful.
Yum.
No breakfast is complete without a little bit of cheese, and of course I'm doing my favorite, Colby Jack. And we're going to do a nice, generous sprinkle. So we have that pancake batter, the eggs, the seasoning, the sausage, the bacon, the hash browns, literally everything you would want all in one breakfast in your air fryer. It's gonna cook super fast, it's gonna be super crispy, and it's gonna taste amazing. All right, do you think that's enough cheese?
Oh yeah, I love cheese.
Me too. Now I'm gonna bring back our pancake batter, and we're gonna use the rest of our pancake batter right in here. And I love this Bisquick because you just add water to the container and then you shake it up and then you have your pancake batter. So like I said, we're keeping this super easy, super simple. Anyone can make this breakfast if they have an air fryer. And even if you don't have an air fryer, you could do this in the oven. I've done it in the oven, in a bundt pan, in a 9x13, and all of that. So let's make sure we really get that jar emptied out. Perfect. And this next step is optional, but I'm gonna do a little bit of drizzle of our maple syrup so that it gets embedded in our pancake batter as it cooks. But like I said, this is optional. Some people don't like sweet and savory things together. I personally love sweet and savory. I love bacon in my waffles. I love sausage in my pancakes, and I love maple syrup with this all in one.
So this is like a breakfast lovers.
Oh yeah, this is a breakfast lover, food lover delight. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pop this in. All right, we're turning this on, and we're gonna do air fry, and we're gonna turn this to 300 to make sure nothing gets burned. Beautiful. And then for time, we're gonna set this to 15 minutes. Can't wait for breakfast. Ooh. All right, it's actually been 18 minutes, but let's check this out. Oh my goodness, it almost looks like a biscuit. All right, time to cut a piece with our spatula. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try this. Oh, it looks so good. Look at that cheese. Yummy. Oh, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more maple syrup because I love sugar, and you guys know that.
It's a little smiley face, the opening.
I know, isn't that fun? All right, let's give this a try. I'm so excited. Pancake, the bacon, the sausage, the hash browns, the egg. Doesn't get any better than this. Lots of maple syrup.
Is it good?
That is like a McGriddle on steroids. It's so good.